Anger is brewing in the Democratic Republic of the Congo over what residents say is the failure of UN peacekeepers to stop deadly attacks by armed groups. Protesters stormed a UN camp in Beni on Monday and set several buildings on fire. At least 4 people were killed as security forces clashed with the protesters. This has led the World Health Organization to evacuate dozens of its staff dealing with the Ebola outbreak in the region.
What we see is community violence against the security situation. That's very important for us because it's not a violence directed against the Ebola response and it's not a violence directed against WHO.
The protesters took to the streets after at least 8 people were killed by armed fighters on Sunday. The latest attack is being blamed on the Allied Democratic Forces, a rebel group that has been active in the area for years. At least 77 people have been killed by the ADF in the last 3 weeks, according to Congo Research Group. The WHO says it wants the violence to stop so it can continue its efforts to contain the deadly virus.
The frustration, the anger of the population on the ground is very much understandable, but we need order, law and order restored in order to carry out vital operations.
The virus has killed more than 2,000 people since the latest outbreak began last year. The UN agency says 360 people are at risk after being in contact with a person infected with Ebola in eastern Congo. But insecurity in the region means they're out of WHO's reach. The government says it will set up an advanced army headquarters in Beni, but with no details on when the operation will begin, hundreds of people remain at risk. Sharon Ogunleye, TRT World.